Hello, my name is Angela Durbin. I will be participating in the Balancing Equations Lab. There's only one activity, so I will be doing that. I will be balancing equations from the lab document that I've already balanced on paper, but now I'm using the sheet, and I will also be using little models to create these different balancing equations. So first, I went ahead and I put the colors of red, blue, green, white, and yellow on this sheet. And then I'm going to add the symbols for the product and reactant in the proper space. Then I'm going to assign different colors to different symbols. Then I will be creating the models per symbols and trying to balance the equation. So I'll pause as needed. The first equation I will be balancing is HCl plus NaOH, and I'm going to be balancing it, so I'll get back to you with that. So I have gone ahead and I have balanced the equations on my sheet. Here we go. So now I will be making the structural models. So for the first one, I will be doing this. Well, we're gonna have to there we go. And for the second one, be doing this. And I have had some issues. I have not got sent the proper colors, so I will just review this and then go over the colors that properly need to be there. Okay, so first, right here is the start of the equation. So we should have the blue piece. It should be the base, but I don't have it. It doesn't have it in the kit. The second one should be the red right here, so for the oxygen, and then hydrogen up here, and then the bottom one, the green, should be the sodium. And then so right here, again, should be a blue base, so should be the chlorine, and then the top this should be green, but they don't have that, so that's sodium. And for the last one, the base should be red, so should be oxygen, and then there we go. So there's the equation, and I will go with the other. Okay, I am back. The equation that I will be balancing is CaOH2 plus 2 HCl's, and I'm going to balance that, which I already did. And once again, I'll do my best, but I don't have all of the pieces as needed like I'm supposed to on this lab kit. So I'll point to here. Okay, let's start with the start of the equation. So the coefficient is 1, and so here we are. This should be red. This base should be red for the oxygen in there, plus the 2 HCl, in which this base should be blue for the Cl. And this one is actually correct. This is the coefficient of 1, CaCl2. And so here we go with the blue base, which is Cl. And then lastly, we have oxygen with a coefficient of 2, H2O. So we have the red, which is oxygen, and we have the hydrogen. And so there we go. There's balancing equations. And I will continue on with more of balancing the equations. All right, thank you.